Hey everybody, we're back. If you're new, thanks for joining us. I'm Shannon, that's Yaya. There's a little confusion there. Click that subscribe button, please, and if you're not new, thanks for coming back. Today's video is going to be on a collection that I got from What's Up Beauty. They sent me a PR box. They asked, hey, can we send you a PR box? And I was in California at the time, and I said, we're moving, I don't have an address, you know, maybe later. Well, later has come. I got the box a while ago. They sent me the Desert Monsoon collection. In this video, I'm gonna show y'all how I came up with this look. We're gonna go over swatches, we have a giveaway, a lot of stuff going on. My overall thoughts on the entire collection, because they did send nail polishes and brushes. So stay tuned if you want to see how I came up with this look, my thoughts and opinion, because that's, you know, that's important. The world needs to know what I think. Said no one ever. And just generally testing out this brand and this product and the things that they sent us. Let's get into it. Okay, so I pretty much have my face done. Really simple look today. I use the Fenty skin tint, a little blush, a little highlight, little bronzer. That's it. What can I do with this palette that's more natural? Because when I looked this palette up, I see a lot of the colorful looks. I see them using the blues, the purples, but I don't really find like just a natural, everyday kind of look. So we're gonna try to do that. First, let's go over the brushes. So here are all of the brushes that they gave me. I am obsessed with the packaging. Let's read what each brush is. Y'all got my glasses because I need them to see now. This is goat and synthetic hair. The NARS Ita brush is goat hair. Okay, so this is the pencil brush. Then we have the blending brush, the flat brush, the fluffy buffing brush. We have crease blending and then tapered blending. So we're gonna try to use all of these brushes and create a very simple, natural, everyday look. Let me go ahead and take all of the brushes out of their packaging thing. I love this. You have a thing right here that you can just pull it up. The packaging is well thought out. Okay, so we have all of our brushes. Let's see what we're going to do. So I used this in a previous video and it was super like, it is tacky, it sticks. And someone said, oh, you have to set it. So we're gonna try to use this and then hurry up and set it. I will say with a broken nail, it does make it a lot easier to do this and get into the corner there. I'm not gonna lie about that. That's an upside. Okay, so this is the Monsoon palette. The blue really calls to me because it's gorgeous, but honestly, it's not something that I would use. So let's go in with Joshua Tree, which is gonna be this shade right here. We'll do that all over. Now I don't remember which brush is what, but we're just gonna go with however I wanna do it. So this is R102. It's some kind of blending brush. We're just going to use this here. Okay, not mad at this color payoff. I feel like this is one of those palettes where you can go like all crazy, or you can do something really simple and subtle. And y'all know I'm more of a simple, subtle type of gal, so the likelihood of me using, say, the blue, the purple, this shade, even these, is pretty slim. After we finish this up, let's do some swatches so I can show you. I showed y'all on IG, the swatches were really amazing. Okay, I like this brush, actually. I like this brush a lot. It's smaller. This is smaller, so they have a fluffier one, but I really am not mad at this brush. Not mad at it, honestly. I feel like you could go in with this brown shade, darken it up, and you could be done. And then put a little bit of that brown under your lash line, and you could be done. This is like a 5-minute eye look. It would take you 5 minutes. I mean, of course, you still have to do the whole rest of your face, but still, like, you could get some really quick looks out of this. Now I'm like, what do I want to do? Let's go in with this brown shade here. This is going to be Canyon. We'll go in the crease with that. We're going to use this tapered brush. This is R106. We're going to put this on the outer corner, bring it on up into the lid, and then let's take that brush we were using and just kind of buff it out some, see how that goes. And we're gonna bring that up some to blend it in together. I don't know if I changed some setting on my camera, but it looks brighter. Even though I didn't change my lighting situation and that was not an ideal situation, or is not an ideal situation, it does look brighter. I'm not mad at this at all. Let's take a little more because I feel like I missed some in this spot here. Okay, let's just do the other eye really quickly. Okay, I feel like that looks about right. We're gonna take a little bit of this shade here with the R105 brush and just go right below the eyebrow there. Okay, yeah, that's looking better. That's looking better. Well, let's take this fluffy brush here. This is R104. Let's just blend them. Okay, I love this brush. I want to use this shade here. That is Glow right in here. So I think I'm going to go in with Desert Rose on my finger and put it right in there on the lid. They are so creamy, I'm not gonna lie. Okay, we'll say not having a nail there makes this so much easier. Okay, so now that we have that done, we need to blendy. Well, let's go with this brush here. This is the one that we were using to blend earlier too. Okay, let's take this brush again and then just kind of go back and forth here. Yeah, I am not mad at this look. Let's go in with the Glow shade up here in the corner, and then this little brush, this is 101. We're gonna put that right in there. Wow, okay. That is very pigmented, so let's try to tone that baby down, because that literally is Glow. I'm actually gonna take a little bit of that Glow shade and just put it on my nose, because it is the highlighter of life. Okay. I feel like if I did it on my cheekbone, that would be too glowy. Can you ever be too glowy? Let's just... Oh God, that is glowy. That is so freaking glowy. Let's just take the same brush that we were using for that darker Canyon shade. I'm gonna tap the tip. Just the tip, putting the tip in there. Just tap the tip, and I'm gonna go under here. Just the tip again, just the tip. Putting the tip in, and we're gonna go under here. Okay, so this is the overall look, and let me tell you, I am not mad at this. I feel like this came out better than I expected, and it wasn't a trust the process kind of makeup day. It was like, I know this is gonna look good, which is odd because normally I have to trust the process. I did step out of my comfort zone a little bit by using this pinkish shade here, this Desert Rose. Generally, I probably would have went for a shade like this on the lid, but I really wanted to try it in here. I think the look turned out, I can't stop looking. It turned out really, considering I wasn't planning on doing my makeup today, I'm happy with this, like very, very happy. It's simple. I feel like even just using the skin tint, it all works together. I feel like if you're gonna do something crazy, like use the greens or the blues, obviously you're gonna want like a full coverage foundation. I feel like this looks good. Obviously it's not natural, but it's not like full glam. I feel like this works really well. Let's go ahead and swatch. Okay, so here are the first four. That's that Glow shade that's just beautiful. And then that Canyon, that pink we used. Look at this purple. Look how gorgeous that is. So the blue is Downpour, and then we have Thunder here. So this is the whole first, look at that. So this is that whole top row there. Gorgeous, absolutely gorgeous. Let's go ahead and do the bottom row. The shimmers feel very creamy. And the mattes do not feel like super powdery either, so that's nice. God, look at that shimmer. What? I think this would have looked good on the lid too because it comes off more gold. And then these are the last two, Tempest and Joshua Tree. This shade is gorgeous. And the nice thing about this collection is they have the nail polish collection to match. So that is the second row. So you have the top row and the second row. Let me go and get the nail polishes because I have the nail polishes in the car. Okay, so this is the packaging for their nail polish set. This is the Desert Monsoon collection. So the nail polishes are going to correspond with the eyeshadow palette. So I feel like the shade I used on my lids goes with this nail polish. And then they have a mauve-y one, let me find it, this one, which I did actually use on my nails. This one definitely goes with this mauve shade here. They definitely go together. They have a blue one that obviously goes with the blue. This one is going to be named Desert Rose, just like the eyeshadow. This one is named Sun, which I think that gold one was named Sun. These aren't gel polishes. Generally, I use gel polishes just because I have such an active life. I don't have time to wait for them to dry. Then you have this taupe shade here. So what I'm going to do is we're going to have a giveaway. Obviously not with this Tempest shade that I did use because I did use it, but we're gonna have a giveaway with the other 5 shades that they sent me because, like I said, I am a gel polish person, so these don't really work for me. Although the quality was good, the colors looked good, the opacity or opaqueness, whatever it's called, was good. So I'm not mad at that. I would definitely recommend them, like if you do your nails at home, things like that. Coco's gone. She's over it for now. So the giveaway will end on the 28th. All you need to do is like, subscribe, leave me a comment on your thoughts on the palette, the nail polish, the brushes, whatever. Generally, I would say, oh, leave your Instagram so I can DM you there, but a lot of times YouTube deletes them. So I will respond to your comment on the 28th and let you know if you won, and then you can DM me on Instagram and we can get the ball rolling to send it off to you. Overall thoughts on this collection, I'm surprised. I did not expect it to be as good as it is. This is a palette that I feel like I could do a lot with, because you know I'm more of a neutral type of person. I don't generally go into like crazy colorful looks, but I feel like I could get a lot of use out of this palette. I feel like this is even a shade that I would step out of my comfort zone a little, but it would still look like something I would use, if that makes sense. This comes off a lot more gold than the green undertones you really see in it. So definitely, you know, even this. I feel like the only shades I probably wouldn't use, maybe that blue, because I'm scared of it. That'd probably be the only thing I wouldn't use because I'm scared of it. So generally like it. The brushes, pleasantly, I'm happy with them. I feel like I'm not like a brush snob by any means, but I feel like there are a lot of brushes that I get that I'm just like, I don't like this. I feel like it's not worth the money. It's not good. I actually like these. I will put them over here in my collection. You're a rock star? Oh, good. Yaya's with us. Y'all haven't seen her in a long time co-hosting with me, but are you happy to be in the video? You look beautiful. So generally speaking, do I recommend the set? If you generally only use gel polishes, I know they sell other polishes that are gel polish. I'm not a regular nail polish person, so that's gonna be a no for me if I'm just being honest. The quality was good because I did use one of them. The palette, I really like the palette. I would use this palette again. The brushes, I really like the brushes too. And I think the packaging on the brushes are like what sets it apart from other brands. So all in all, I would say, yeah, thumbs up to this. And thank you to What's Up Beauty for sending me the PR box. They didn't tell me I had to do a review or anything. They just said they were going to send me a PR box, or asked if they could, and I said, yeah, sure. They sent it to me a while ago. I'm just now getting around to the video, but thank you so much to them. I hope you send me more stuff in the future. Anyway, if you haven't already, don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, share, click the bell, and all those good things. Bye!
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 Mama, look at my face.
I know, you got a lot going on, dude.
I'm making like Poppy.
Yeah. Let me wipe it away from your eye, though.
Okay.
There we go.
Mama, I put them on my head.
No. It's only for your cheeks, Coco.
I'm gonna kill you with the brush.
Don't say that. That's not nice. You kill your mother? You don't kill things.
Mama, Coco killed you.
No, she's not gonna kill me.
Killed you.
No, don't kill me.
Killed. Mama about to die.
No.
You but.
What is wrong with y'all?
Mama,
Okay.
look at my face.
Okay, be cautious. Okay, that's the longest fucking video of my life, dude. Let's take this fluffy brush here. This is R104. Be cautious.
What? That's a bunny.
Yeah, no, put that back. That was expensive, dude.
I want that. Mama, so yucky.
No, don't mess with that. No, that's my favorite one. Please stop.
I dropped it.
Okay, this is not for your lips, though, okay? Because it's not lipstick. There we go. This is. You can use that one. Okay. Oh, yay. That's a lot. Your face is gonna be stained for days.
My face is a rock star.
Your face is a rock star?
Yeah.
Nice. God, why do y'all put this stuff on like it's freaking war paint, dude?
I like Poppy.
You look like Poppy? Oh yeah, because Poppy is pink.
Yep, he white and pink.
Yeah, but this is gonna stain your face.
Wipe it.
Yeah, I'll wipe it. Baby wipes aren't strong enough for rare beauty.